Welcome to a conversation that could very well be the turning point in your life. A discussion about cutting-edge approaches to treating erectile dysfunction that most healthcare providers aren't even aware of yet. I'm not here to talk about the same old solutions, the pills you've tried, the pumps you've considered, or the awkward conversations you've endured. No. Today we're venturing into the exciting frontier of regenerative medicine, where science is pushing the boundaries of what's possible for men's sexual health. I urge you to set aside that skepticism for just a few minutes. What I'm about to reveal goes beyond anything you've encountered in your doctor's office or read about in health magazines. We're talking about harnessing your body's own incredible healing powers and combining them with advanced technology to reignite your sexual health. These treatments aren't just about getting an erection. They're about restoring your entire sexual function to a more youthful state, potentially turning back the clock on the effects of aging, stress, and health conditions that have taken their toll over the years. So let's dive into the heart of the matter with a treatment that, at first glance, might sound like something out of a science fiction novel: shockwave therapy. Now, before your imagination runs wild, let me assure you, we're not talking about electrocuting any of your precious parts. This innovative approach, known in medical circles as low-intensity extracorporeal shockwave therapy, is a gentle, painless treatment that harnesses the power of sound waves to stimulate healing and improve blood flow. Imagine, if you will, tiny waves washing through your tissues like a microscopic massage. These waves work to clear out old, inefficient blood vessels and encourage your body to grow new, healthy ones. It's like giving your penile tissue a renovation, improving its blood supply and, consequently, its function. The best part? Each session takes only about 15 to 20 minutes, and you can go right back to your day afterward. No downtime, no embarrassing side effects. Just a gradual improvement in function and sensation. Let's break it down a bit more. Shockwave therapy isn't just a quick fix or a temporary solution. It's actually encouraging your body to heal itself, to rebuild and regenerate from within. The sound waves stimulate a process called neovascularization, the fancy medical term for the formation of new blood vessels. Better blood flow means better erections, but it also means improved overall health of your penile tissue. And here's a key point that often gets overlooked. This improvement is gradual and natural. You're not dealing with the ups and downs of medication or the mechanical nature of other interventions. Instead, you're allowing your body to reclaim its natural function, potentially reversing years of decline. Shockwave therapy is just the opening act. The real showstopper in this revolution of erectile dysfunction treatment is stem cell therapy. Yes, you heard that right. The same cutting-edge technology making headlines in the fight against aging and chronic diseases is now being applied to combat erectile dysfunction. These remarkable cells have an almost magical ability to transform into any type of cell your body needs, potentially regenerating damaged tissue and restoring function in ways we once thought impossible. Now I can practically see the raised eyebrows and hear the questions forming in your minds. If these treatments are so revolutionary, why hasn't my doctor mentioned them? Why aren't they all over the news? The truth is, they're so new that many healthcare providers are still catching up with the research. These treatments are at the forefront of medical innovation, and it takes time for new approaches to become widely adopted. But here's what's exciting. Early studies and clinical trials are showing remarkable results. Men who had resigned themselves to a future of diminished sexual function, who thought their days of spontaneous, confident intimacy were over, are experiencing nothing short of a renaissance in their love lives. We're seeing improvements not just in erectile function, but in overall sexual satisfaction, confidence, and quality of life. As for stem cell therapy, think of it as hitting the reset button on your sexual health. These powerful cells have the potential to repair damaged blood vessels and nerves, addressing the root causes of erectile dysfunction at a cellular level. It's an approach that goes beyond just treating symptoms. It aims to restore your entire sexual function to a more youthful state. The procedure involves harvesting stem cells, often from your own body fat or bone marrow, and then injecting them into the penile tissue. These cells then get to work, potentially regenerating damaged areas, improving blood flow, and even enhancing nerve sensitivity. It's not just about getting an erection, it's about comprehensive sexual rejuvenation. At this point, I know what you're wondering. Is this too good to be true? What's the catch? It's a fair question, and it's important to approach these treatments with a balanced perspective. While shockwave therapy and stem cell treatments are showing incredible promise, they're still being studied and refined. Not everyone will see the same results, and they may not be suitable for every situation. It's crucial to understand that these are not miracle cures or overnight fixes. They require a commitment to the treatment process, and often multiple sessions to see optimal results. Additionally, as with any medical treatment, there can be variations in effectiveness from person to person. Now, gentlemen, I want you to close your eyes for a moment and really let this sink in. Imagine waking up one morning and realizing that the worry, the disappointment, the loss of confidence that's been weighing on you, it's all starting to fade away. You're feeling more like yourself again, more alive, more virile. That persistent cloud of anxiety that's been hanging over your intimate moments, it's lifting, replaced by a sense of assurance and anticipation. This isn't just about better erections, though that's certainly part of it. It's about reclaiming your vitality, reinvigorating your relationships, and rediscovering your zest for life. It's about walking taller, feeling more confident in every aspect of your life, knowing that you're taking control of your health and your future. But here's the real kicker, the aspect that gets me truly excited about the future of erectile dysfunction treatment. This is just the beginning. The treatments we're discussing today, as impressive as they are, represent only the first wave of innovation in this field. By exploring these options now, you're not just addressing a current problem, you're investing in your future health and happiness. You're positioning yourself at the forefront of medical innovation, potentially benefiting from advancements that could reshape our entire understanding of sexual health and aging. Gentlemen, I want to leave you with this final thought. You don't have to accept erectile dysfunction as an inevitable part of aging. Science is opening new doors, offering solutions that work with your body, not against it. Whether it's the gentle regenerative waves of shockwave therapy or the transformative potential of stem cells, there's a world of possibility waiting for you. Remember, this journey isn't about turning back the clock or chasing an unrealistic ideal of youth. It's about embracing the present moment with all the vitality, confidence, and passion you deserve. The choice is yours, and the time is now. I'm curious to see your opinions and experiences in the comments, and subscribe for more content on sexual wellness.